Lesson 2.3, Using AI to Evolve and Explore Your Sound. Section 1, Why Evolving Your Sound Matters. Imagine if your favorite artist could release music in multiple styles without ever losing their essence. With AI, you can push creative boundaries, experiment freely, and evolve your sound without limitations. Why AI is a game changer for musical evolution. Traditional artists often struggle to experiment due to audience expectations. AI allows musicians to test new styles without impacting their personal brand. You can modernize past work with AI-powered updates, for example using Suno AI's cover song feature. AI expands creative possibilities, making it easier to evolve without industry pressure. Ways AI helps artists evolve their sound. 1. Testing new genres and sounds without risk. AI lets you create alternate versions of a song in different genres. You can see audience reactions before committing to a major shift in style. 2. Reimagining and remixing old songs. Example, a classic hip-hop track can be reborn as an AI-generated lo-fi or house remix. Suno AI's cover song tool allows artists to upload past work and transform it. 3. Creating alternate AI personas for new creative directions. A rapper might develop a lo-fi jazz persona separate from their hardcore sound. Singers can experiment with robotic, atmospheric, or soul-driven vocal styles. 4. Using AI to generate unique vocal performances. AI can modify vocal textures, allowing artists to create duet versions with themselves. AI-generated harmonies, backing vocals, or vocal effects can enhance depth and variety. Evolving songwriting and composition. AI can suggest new chord progressions or unexpected melodies that spark inspiration. Tools like Suno AI help in crafting different lyrical moods and flows. Real-world example, Kanye West's sound evolution. He started as a soul sample hip-hop producer, transitioned into experimental electronic and auto-tuned singing. AI could have helped him test new sounds faster without committing fully. Something to remember. AI doesn't replace creativity, it enhances it. The best artists are those who keep evolving, and now AI gives you the tools to explore limitless possibilities. Section 2, How AI Helps You Explore New Sounds. Option 1, Testing New Styles. Use AI-generated tracks to see how your audience responds. Experiment with different tempos, keys, and vibes. Compare AI-generated versions of your tracks to find fresh inspiration. Option 2, Reimagining your older music. Upload an old track into AI tools, for example, Suno AI's cover song feature. Convert a 90s-style boom-bap song into a trap beat version. Take a soulful R&B ballad and make it a futuristic synthwave track. Option 3, Creating side personas for different sounds. Maybe a hip-hop artist wants to explore Afrobeats. Create an AI persona for it. Lo-fi producer wants to make club bangers. Build a separate AI identity. Artists can expand their catalog while keeping branding intact. Option 4, AI-assisted songwriting and production. AI suggests alternative melodies, harmonies, and lyrics. AI-generated song structures help break creative blocks. Test different vocal processing techniques for unique variations. Worksheet, expanding your AI persona's sound. Task, answer these questions to map out how your AI persona could evolve. 1. If you could explore one new genre or sound, what would it be? 2. Would you like to remix or modernize past songs? If so, how? 3. Would you create an alternate persona to test new styles? Why or why not? 4. What's a past track, yours or an influence, that you'd like to reimagine with AI? 5. What AI tools would you use to modify your sound? Real-world example, Gorillaz and AI-powered evolution. Gorillaz used different personas, digital avatars, and unique production styles to stay relevant across genres. They transitioned from alternative rock to hip-hop, electronic, and global music. They used vocal processing and production shifts to evolve their sound without losing identity. They could have used AI to test experimental sounds faster. Lesson takeaway. AI gives artists the power to evolve and expand without losing their core audience. Next steps. Before moving to Lesson 2.4, complete the AI Persona Sound Evolution worksheet. Try generating an AI remix of one of your favorite tracks. Brainstorm an alternate persona to explore a different sound. In the next lesson, we'll discuss using ChatGPT to streamline your AI persona's style and character. See you there.